In this video, how to fix the problem where you cannot proceed with the Windows 11 installation because no Wi-Fi is available. As you can see, without an internet connection, the next button is grayed out, and we cannot continue. In this video, I will show you several ways to get past this screen and install Windows 11 using a local account. The first way is at this screen. Press Shift F10 or F and Shift F10 if you are using a laptop to open the command prompt window. Next, press Alt-Tab to switch to the window. Now, type this command and press Enter. A new window will open, letting you create a local account for the installation. As you can see, we can now skip the internet requirement and install Windows 11 using a local account. The second way is using the bypass NRO command. You still need to open the command prompt by pressing Shift F10 or F and Shift F10. The computer will restart automatically. As you can see, this time, we will have another option to install Windows 11 without an internet connection. In some cases, you will see the command is not recognized. This happens because Microsoft plans to remove the bypass script in the OOBE folder, but we can still bring it back using the registry editor. Type regedit and press Enter to open the registry editor. Go to the following key. On the right side, let's create a D-word value named bypass NRO and set its data to 1. Close the registry editor and restart the computer. As you can see, we can now install Windows 11 without an internet connection. And the last way also uses the registry. Go to the OOBE key. On the right side, let's create two D-word values and set their data to 1. Close the registry editor and restart the computer. As you can see, the network setup and online account screens are gone, and you will be taken to the screen to create a local account. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.